Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I do not have an earring in. I lost it, so let's ignore that fact and let's just move on to today's video, which is a Glossybox unboxing. I got this box, must have been on Friday, I think it was on Friday. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. So when you open the box, we have our little pamphlet, and this time it's kind of a booklet, because usually it's just everything is on one page, and these are the contents. So let's take the first thing. This is the Bellapiere Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Creme in the shade Rose Petal. So I am gonna open that up. Wow, genie, that's a vibrant shade, isn't it? Let's just swatch it. Oh frick, I can't open. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, it's broken. The stopper is out. Oh, that's why. Oh shoot, that's why it was so hard to open. Give me 1 second, I'll try to fix that. Lads, I think my lipstick came without a stopper altogether. Can you believe that? I think I'm gonna message Glossybox customer service to see what they can say about that. But this is the color. It's pretty dark. It's very autumn-like in my opinion. Definitely not spring, but yeah, we'll leave it on my hand to see if it really is kiss proof, i.e. smudge proof. So yeah, cool, but not cool, especially that it came without a stopper. Next up, I have the Laritzy Dew Pot. So it is a illuminator, I would say. I got the shade Utopia. So this is the outer packaging, and this is what it looks inside. It looks so similar to a thing I got before, but I'm gonna give it a swatch and see how it looks. Wow, it's very gold. Okay, it's not like the thing that I got before. I think I got one from Bellapiere. So it's very gold and very reflective. Wow, lads, I think I like that, to be honest. It looks pretty. I mean, it has kind of a pink shade, so I thought that pink would be more visible, but no, nuh-uh. It is very, very gold. So yeah, I'm loving that actually. Next up, I have the Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. So got this little guy. I've heard so much about this. It's a lovely illuminating spray. However, I have heard that the spritzer is not so nice. So let's do a live check. See? Oh, it spits out literally. Oh, well, once you kind of, oh, it smells, no, it smells like alcohol, so I would say it's long lasting. But I think once you get that spray to work, it doesn't spit out, and it is a nice fine mist. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this one out. I had one before that was a multitasking one, so it just literally was very good for setting my face. I didn't have any illuminating properties. It was a long-lasting one, but yeah, this one seems fun, so I can't wait to try this one out. Next up, I have the Bybi, I think Bybi, so Bybi Plumper Lip Balm. Plumper Lip Balm. I know I said that weirdly. So yeah, this is that lip balm. It is 100% natural, certified vegan, and it is cruelty free. So that's fun. It is with peppermint and chili, so it will probably burn my lips off, but at least they'll be bigger. And the last thing in the box is the Tony&Guy Illuminating Hair Perfume. an illuminating hair perfume. I have heard of hair perfumes, but I haven't heard of illuminating ones. So let's give it a spritz and see how it smells. That spritzer is so nice. It smells nice, but it doesn't really smell like anything too crazy. So I'm gonna put this into my hair. I hope that's not too much because I've never tried a hair perfume before. Oh, okay, that's definitely too much, but at least my hair will be smelling very nice, I would say. So going back to that lipstick, it hasn't dried down fully yet, so I'm gonna check the parts that have dried down, and as you can see, it's not moving, so it is definitely smudge proof. So I'm gonna try to remove. Oh, yep, definitely long lasting. Oh my, oh flip. Am I going to have to exfoliate my hand now? Lads, I'm rubbing this. I can tell you now that this is probably super drying on the lips. So if you have sensitive and chapped lips, I do not recommend it. Wow, my hand is so red now. But yeah, at least you know that it's not gonna go away anywhere, even if you're eating, drinking, or dancing, or doing whatever, or kissing, as is its purpose is being kiss proof. I'm kind of on the fence about this box. Now I'm gonna say it is a 4 out of 5 box. Nothing that much wrong with the color of this. However, I know the formula and the fact that it came without a stopper is funny. So yeah, it kind of turns me off actually using the product, and I'm probably not going to be using the product because imagine trying to apply that much onto your lips. Yeah, not gonna happen. So that's probably going to the bin straight away, which is a pity. Or well, I could use a lip brush, so I might give it a try with a lip brush first, and if it's still shite, then I'll just throw it away. But other than that, we got a hair perfume, a setting spray, a lovely highlighter, which definitely surprised me because it looked more like a blush, but it's definitely a highlighter, and this lip plumper, which like I said will probably burn my lips off, but we'll give it a try. So yeah, it's a solid 4 out of 5 box, although the contents are kind of meh. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.